Tootsie Bee. Hello, welcome back to another Tootsie Bee toy video. Today we're learning colors with all my little bee friends. Let's say hello. Hello, little bee. Do you know what color this little bee is? This little bee is orange. Time to pollinate the flowers and drink some yummy flower nectar. Wow! Do you know which flower the orange bee loves the best? Is it the yellow flower? What about this blue flower? No, the orange honeybee loves the orange flower the best. Yum! Let's meet our other bee friends. Let's see. How about this little bee? This little bee is blue. Are you hungry, little bee? Let's see which flower the blue bee will pick. Does he like the purple flower? No? What about this red flower? No. The blue bee loves the blue flower the best. Yum! Let's see. This little bee looks hungry. Good morning, little bee. Do you know what color this little bee is? This little bee is purple. Purple little bee. Which flower will the purple bee choose? This yellow flower? How about this green flower? No, the purple bee loves the purple flower. Yum! Who's next? This looks like a little hungry bee. This bee is green. Time to pollinate the flowers and drink the yummy flower nectar. The green bee likes the yellow flower, red flower, the green flower. Who's left? Do you know what color this little bee is? This is the red bee. Which color flower does the red bee like? Not this blue one. Not this orange one. The red one. Only one bee left. This little bee is yellow. Are you hungry, little bee? Which flower is the yellow bee's favorite flower? There's only one flower left. The yellow flower. Yum! Uh-oh. Looks like these honeybees are getting full. Time to go back to the hive with all that yummy nectar. This looks like a full little bee. Which hive is the purple bee's hive? This red one? No. This green one? No. The purple hive. The purple bee is back in the purple hive with all his yummy nectar. That orange bee is full of nectar and ready to go back to the hive. Which color hive does the orange bee live in? This blue hive? This yellow hive? Nope. The orange bee lives in the orange hive. There's a happy little orange bee with all his nectar. That blue bee looks mighty full. Time to go back home to the hive. Which hive is the blue bee's hive? Is it this red hive? No. The green hive? No. It's the blue hive. The blue bee lives in the blue hive. In you get, you little blue bee. The yellow bee's ready to go back to the hive. Whoop. Which hive is the yellow bee's hive? This red hive? No. Not the purple hive, the purple bee's in there. That's right, the yellow hive. Happy little yellow bee in a yellow bee hive. The red bee's all done pollinating the red flower. Which hive does the red bee live in? Not the blue hive, the blue bee's in there. Is it the green hive? No. The red bee lives in the red bee hive. A cozy little red bee in a red bee hive. All right, little green bee, time to go back to the hive. Which hive does the green bee live in? Not the orange hive, the orange bee's in there. And the red bee's in the red hive. So that just leaves the green hive, that's right. A happy little green bee in a green bee hive. All our little colorful honeybees are snug in their little bee hives. Let's make a candy rainbow. Red, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange. Good job! It's a candy rainbow. All right, little honeybees, it's time for us to go. What's that, little red bee? You can't go yet. We haven't had a surprise. Well, that's right. We can't go without having a surprise. Let's see if we can make a little magic. 1, 2, 3. Wow. It's a Minnie Mouse Kinder Egg surprise. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Cute! It's a little elastic with Minnie Mouse's shoes. Alright, honeybees, well that's all the time we have for today. I hope you learned lots of new colors with my beautiful bee friends, and I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic, beautiful day. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. It's free! And now it's time for a Tootsie Bee quiz. One of the flowers had orange pollen instead of yellow pollen. Which flower was it? Let us know in the comments below. Bye!